Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? Hope you had a wonderful day. I am home today because we have prediction of snow and this is the afternoon and it's just starting to snow flurry, so I don't know if we'll get as much snow as they thought. It's only like 3 inches maybe, but that's enough to shut us down. They already decided, you know, that the kids had to go to school today, and it just, at least in my city, it's just starting to flurry now. And it's what, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, supposed to start at 7 o'clock this morning. So yeah, but if we get our 3 inches, then I won't have to go to work tomorrow again. Yay. So I have a ton of hauls that I haven't had a chance to do, so this is a combination of a couple Dollar Tree hauls. Some of it's crafty, some of it not, but I figured I'd show it anyway because some people that love Dollar Tree hauls love everything from Dollar Tree, so I just figured I'd just show everything. Since we are home, my kids are over here. Popcorn and some pork skins. Gotta have something to snack on when you sit in the house. So let me get that out of the way first. And they're so noisy. Alright. Little activity book for my grandson. And then I picked up me a couple of the little logic puzzle books. And 2 of these. I don't know the other one. That's another variety of book. I think it's in my work bag. So I took it to work yesterday for lunch. And then I did get 2, sorry about the noise, they're wrapped in paper, 2 coffee mugs because somebody asked me to do a vinyl project. So hopefully I will be doing that soon and showing you guys on my channel what I'm doing. And just move that bag out of the way. Alright, so again, not everything is crafty, but some of it is. A couple books I got for my grandson. A little children's devotional book. Of course, you know the price on everything is $1. These are some little simple, he's first grader. These are the early readers, sight word stories. They didn't have any first grade ones. These are more, well, they're kindergarten, first grade, I guess. But they, you know, I like them because they're simple books. You know, he can read them by himself. I always gotta make a child feel very successful in reading, so sometimes I get books lower and then I get books harder and then I get books rated age appropriate, and I make the kids read all of them in between because I want you to feel comfortable reading easy books so you feel confident. Then there's some books that are rated at your pace and then some that are harder so you can try. So I got a whole bunch of these books for him because I'm big on my kids reading. Another little toothbrush set for when he's over here. Some lip balm for him and my daughter. And then I got some of these overhead coat hangers, head hangers, scarf hangers, ribbon hangers, whatever you want to use. You can use these in your craft room because that's what I'm going to use them for. Hang some stuff up. Also got this. This is what you would use to put your dishes in, but I am going to use it for paper because you can stick, let's see, a book. You can use your paper pads and slide it right in there. So 6x6, 8x8, and I haven't tried it with a 12x12 before, but I'm gonna try it with that too. So this is just a quick way on your desk that you can stack that many rows of paper, and it's pretty much, you know, you got like a 2-inch in between each rung, so you can hang, well, stack, shall I say, quite a few bits of paper. But it's not going to go all the way back because you have this stopper right here. But 6x6 and 8x8 pads are really good in here because I've done it before. So these are good, just quick storage tip. Got him some more words. I always had them on walls in the house. Alright, so a few craft things that I did get. You know, I gotta get other stuff while you get the Dollar Tree. I did get a magnet planner, dry erase, and put that on my fridge. My new job, I'm doing a lot of traveling and a lot of stuff, and just working out my schedule between my daughter and I. Just a whole bunch of stuff going on, good stuff, exciting stuff. So I just want to have something on the fridge so everybody knows what's going on, where everybody's at. So I have that. Got some file folders. You can always use these for albums, mini albums, but I'm actually going to use these for some organization stuff. Got these stickers. I put them on my Instagram a while ago. I just haven't had a chance to do a video. And speaking of that, a lot of times I will put the pictures up. Sometimes I'm bad about putting the pictures up, but usually I get them up way before my video. But on my Instagram channel is DaretoBeCreative1, if you ever want to see what I see. So these are just some dimensional. They have that kind of metallic feel, but I'm sure they're faux metallic. Let me see. Kind of that mixed media feel. Yeah, nice. They feel like they're stickers, obviously, but kind of like resin, but it kind of makes you feel like it might be metal, but it's faux metal. So these, I envision using these on some ATCs and iPads. I like making those when I have a chance. I haven't posted any of those in a while. But anyway, I do make some of those when I'm just playing around, even in mixed media art journals and things like that. So they have a couple other ones. I didn't get all of them, but I got the stars. Let me look closer. And these are the stars. And the butterflies. And if you look closely, there are different colors. It's like pearlescent colors in there as well, which you could probably alter this as well too if you don't like the colors. But you can see some shades of green and pink and purples and stuff inside of all of these. So these are crowns, you know, Eiffel Tower, crest kind of things. Hearts. Use these in your love projects coming up. And then these some more hearts, but they're actually framed hearts. So, boom. Did get 2 different calendars, and I've shared before how I use my calendars on some of my calendar hauls here from the Dollar Tree. Is that I use these, I fussed to cut out the images, and I use them in art journals, and you can use them in glue books. You can use them in anything that you like, actually. And these are actually rather large, so that's why I use them in those items. But you can cut out these individual squares on the back and use those on something smaller like a tag or an iCAD or ATC. Because these are all, I think they're 10 by 12. They're not 12 by 12, but I think it's a 10 by 12. It may be a 12 by 12. I can't remember. Yeah, it's a 12 by 12 because it's bigger than my art journal. My art journals are 9 by 11. That's what it is. So again, you can use so many different things with these to alter them. And just use one image or all of it. Like you could just cut that butterfly out and just use the butterfly. So we'll use this as a backdrop and add elements on it. I usually try to always keep up with the glitter paper. And when I'm there, I get those packs. So they're 3-pack each. Purple, green, and blue, red, gold, and silver. And then the poster board one, which is just the metallic one, of those same 5 colors. So it's the dark blue, green, red, silver, and gold. And these are actually, what size are these? 11 by 14 to 8. These 8.5 by 11. So the other thing I did want to show you that I got from the Dollar Tree. They have these dumbbell water weights, so you can fill these up. And I believe it's 2.15 pounds when you fill it up with water. So you can use them empty or something if you want to work out at home. And they had a whole bunch of Julian, well, what's her name? They had the fitness jump rope, which I actually just bought a jump rope from Tuesday morning, but I got an extra one. This was a different. This was a resistance band. And of course, $1. These 2 were the loop bands. These are different. The blue one is medium, and then the black is heavy. They're for toning and resistance. Thought I tried them out for $1, couldn't beat. And then the last thing they had by her was Jillian's DVDs. They had them. I mean, they sold out. So they had a whole like table when you first walk in the door. How they do that premiere product, and they were gone like in a day or 2. So this one is Killer Buns and Thighs, 3 fat burning booty sculpting workouts. This is Killer Arms and Back, 3 30-minute workouts. And this one is Beginner Shred, 3 20-minute beginner workouts to burn calories and to build lean muscles. So, you know, really couldn't beat that because I can burn this to my hard drive. anyway, I think that is it for the Dollar Tree. Like I said, this was a couple trips. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking, and thanks for subbing, and thanks for all my new subbies. And I wish you guys a wonderful, prosperous year, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.